Morning all. Well, here's the injury we sustained yesterday from riding around health and unsafely. I'm sure I'll survive though. Meanwhile, this was a bit of a step forward. Around the front there. Good enough to put the doors back on. I would have liked to have done the rear wing at the same time, but I checked the paint and there wasn't enough, so we'll just do that bit in a blend. And then we'll have to do something with that runner down there. I'm sure he's not the only runner. Pretty damn sure. There's another sneaky little runner just down here, yeah, on the sill there. Sure that's not the only repairs I'm going to have to do along the way. Talking of repairs, when my phone finally focuses. This thing's really annoying me. Look at it. Looks like it's been beaten out by a hammer and a 6-inch nail. Or is that beaten in? Anyway, we should have to have a good little whack around today with this thing I made out of a piece of hardwood. That's just right, that is. So we'll have a little bash around with that, see if we can't tidy that one up. And then get the whole ass end in primer. Then, maybe, all I've got to do then is spend another 2 weeks going all down this side. Oh, whoopee-doo. Can't wait for it. Later then.